Oh, life of a mother with a toddler and a content creator. Wetin we go do now? We go dey manage am. So for the application, you see, we got this.
Okay, bestie, back to business. Hey, Queen, are you struggling with dry scalp, slow growth, or thinning hair? I got you covered with these natural ingredients that are inside your kitchen cupboard. Yes, you heard that right. Your kitchen cupboard. Okay, wait, let's break it down. Starting with our first ingredient is thyme. I bet you don't know that thyme helps to boost blood flow to your scalp, waking up hair follicles and encouraging faster, healthier growth. It also helps dandruff. Next ingredient is our rosemary. Rosemary that strengthens your roots. It also reduces shedding, supports thicker, fuller hair. This one I call it quick action. Now, in all doings, please don't always forget your cloves, because cloves are rich in antioxidants that help strengthen your strands. It reduces breakage and give your hair that natural shine. But please always use small quantity because it's super active. Now, the chairman of this recipe is star anise, which is perfect for soothing an itchy scalp and fighting dandruff while improving overall scalp health. I call it chairman because you know how scalp itching can be embarrassing, especially if you are in an event and your scalp starts to call you for itch. I bet you don't want that. Yes, add star anise and see wonders. I nearly forget hibiscus, which I did not. You know why? Because hibiscus nourishes the roots, promotes thicker hair, and helps reduce hair fall while leaving your hair soft and hydrated. This one is the oga kpata of them all. And finally, yay, our avocado paste. I don't know why people underrate this powerhouse ingredient that is packed with nutrients that help strengthen hair and support growth. When infused into the spray, well, me, this is my favorite ingredient. Now, combine all of this into a simple spray by adding a very hot boiling water. Allow them infuse for 48 hours. Then strain and transfer into a spray bottle. My love, guess what? You have just made a very, very potent and lightweight and powerhouse hair mist with just $1. This means you can use it daily without it weighing your hair down. Now, spray it directly on your scalp, massage gently and use it consistently for best results. I always spray mine on my hair every day when I'm on any protective hairstyle. Babe, let me tell you something. If you are serious about growing your hair naturally, hit like, subscribe and comment spray so I can share more recipes like this, because real hair growth starts with consistency. Enjoy the rest of the video. I love you and stay always blessed.